Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your Ability Hand Robotics Development Kit. So when you open the box, you're going to get your Ability Hand, your power switch, your serial adapter, your breakout board, and some wires to connect everything. For your first step, you're going to connect your power switch to the breakout board. Now you're going to connect your 6-pin wire on the Ability Hand to the 6-pin on the breakout board. Then you're going to connect your ground pin on the serial adapter to the ground pin on the breakout board. Then, using one wire, you're going to connect the RxD pin on the serial adapter to the SCL pin on the breakout board. Then you'll connect the TXD pin on the serial adapter to the SDA pin on the breakout board. Next, you're going to connect the serial adapter to your computer and connect the LiPo battery to the power switch. Or if you're using a power supply, you can connect directly to our breakout board and bypass the power switch entirely. If you'd like to find more details about that, you can read that in the description. Now that you've got everything set up, you can power on your Ability Hand. So to do this, you're going to hold the power button on the power switch down for 1 second and release once you see the white light go off. And then you'll see the LED flash red and then go to a solid red. If you're using a Linux device, you'll issue the following commands before you proceed to the next step, and then you'll restart your computer. Now that your Ability Hand is connected, you're going to want to download the PSYONIC app, which is available both on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Once you've got the PSYONIC app downloaded, you'll click Scan. This will show you the PSYONIC hands near you. So to find the specific device that you're connecting to, you'll find the number on the underside of the wrist. Once you've scanned and selected your hand, you're going to click the gear icon on the top right corner. Towards the bottom of the settings list, you'll see Troubleshoot, and you'll click on that. And then on the Troubleshoot page, you'll go to the Developer mode. Once you're in Developer mode, you're going to issue the following commands individually. And after each command that you enter, you'll receive a message that says that your command was received, and this just tells you that your hand is connected and that you have the proper access. Now you can start coding with the hand, but first you'll need to check that your Python version is a 3.10 or higher. We've created a PyPy package for the Ability Hand, so you can open up a virtual environment and install everything you need using this one command. Now that your Ability Hand is properly configured, you're able to continue on with your robotics research. But if you'd like, we do have a few examples that you can run right off the bat to make sure your Ability Hand is working as desired. With this first example of plot motors, you can run these commands, and you should see your Ability Hand moving in a hand wave motion with a pop-up on your screen, which is going to show the position, velocity, and torque that the fingers are moving at. We also have another example, which is plot touch sensors, where you can run this command and view all of the Ability Hand's 30 touch sensors, 6 per finger, running in real time. So you can touch the fingers on the Ability Hand and you'll see the corresponding touch feedback being represented on the pop-up on your computer, similar to what you see on the screen right now. Now you're all set up with your Ability Hand. If you do still run into any issues, please feel free to reach out to our team at PSYONIC. We're happy to help.